to today's video. So this is my second time filming this video because I don't know what was wrong with my sound and the other one. Like, it was recording, but I guess I had my microphone in, and I guess it wasn't picking up the audio. So we're just gonna do this now. So I know I had a video in the past where I showed you guys my makeup kit, but I deleted that today. So I'm just gonna redo it for you guys. This is my makeup collection. I have all of my like schooling makeup for like my in my makeup kit and then I have my everyday kind of makeup. So it's all in this little wardrobe. Now, normally I don't use this mirror for when I do my makeup. I use this mirror and a different mirror that's somewhere else. But yeah, we're gonna go through this right now. So there are 2 shelves of makeup. So now for this is my brushes. Now I just kind of use some, I used a tray, and then I put a piece of paper down underneath it, on top of it actually, and then I just kind of used strips of double-sided tape and I taped cups onto the tape, and then I just stuck all my brushes in here, and then in the back, you can't really see it from there, but I have my beauty blender in the back. And then here I have some of my tools. I'm gonna pull you guys closer just a second. So here I have some of my tools. I have one lash curler out right now for my everyday makeup. And then I have some Q-tips. I have a bald cap. I have some lace hair. 2 things of lace hair, I think? Yeah, it's just underneath it. Oops. Okay. Now, and then this latex thing that I think it went bad, so I might have to throw it away, but I'm not sure. And then I have this little bag full of my tools that I have. So I have another lash curler. I have a lash applicator. I have a mixing palette. I have one sponge. Actually, I have multiple sponges, but that one first. And then I have this orange sponge, and I have 2 of these. Where's the other one? Oh, right here. Just so I can kind of use this for when I'm putting on makeup on someone. I don't currently do it on myself, but I think I might, but I don't know. And then I have 2 palette knives. I have my scissors. Mainly the scissors I use for cutting a bald cap, but this bald cap is actually pre-cut, so I don't need to cut it. So, yeah. Everything is falling. So, next I have a mask, just because special effects products can be pretty strong. So I just have that. And then I actually have a beauty blender that I kind of just tore at the edges, just so I can have different textures of each side, which I really like. And then I have 2 prosthetics, but I have 2 of each this went with my special effects makeup kit. So that's everything in my, actually there's something going around there. Oh. And then I have a tweezers. That's everything in this bag for my makeup tools. So now I'm gonna get into my special effects side of my makeup kit. Now, I don't have a lot of special effects products just because I am starting out doing special effects stuff, even though that, like, I just started and I don't really know anything, but yeah. So I'm just now going to go over what I all have in here. So in this part, I just have like jar stuff. Let's see. So I have 2 Graftopian paints. This is a trauma one, and this is the bald cap one. And then, so when I was figuring out what I should buy and stuff, a lot of this product was recommended by Glamagore, aka Mikey. I will link her channel and also her video on like what to get for a special effects kit, because it's really helpful for people who are starting out to build their special effects kit. But yeah, I'll definitely link that one below. So then I have 3rd Degree. All of these products were recommended by her too. I have some 3rd Degree. It's the A and B one. I'm just gonna keep these 2 together actually. Okay. Then this wasn't recommended by her, but I just thought I should get it. This is the Ben Nye translucent powder. I absolutely love this powder. I also use it for my just regular makeup kit for my makeup school. It's amazing. And then I have a little thing of latex. The reason why I got like little jars of everything, just because I just wanted to start, just try it out first, see if I like it or not. I haven't tried anything yet, so I will probably do a video on everything, all my makeup stuff, but I haven't decided yet if I want to do that. Like for my makeup assignments, I mean. So this is another thing that she did recommend. This is the Scab Blood. If you are subscribed to Mikey, or Glamagore, I mean, you know that she loves this stuff. So yeah, I got it out. I wanted to try it, so I got one, but it's the small one. But I haven't tried it yet. I really want to try it. Hopefully soon I will definitely try this. And then I have Scar Wax. I have, I think, everybody's favorite, the Spirit Gum one. Again, this is a small one. I'm going to eventually get the bigger ones once everything is gone through. So yeah, and then this came with the special effects kit that I got from QC Makeup Academy. If you guys want to check them out, I'll also link their website down below because they're amazing. I love it. This is FX Blood. This is, let's see, I guess it's the same. No, this is gel, and I guess this is liquid. Okay. Now we have all of the kind of like this type of stuff. So this is witch hazel, castor oil, some alcohol, Bond Off, adhesive remover, Pros-Aid, acetone, and alcohol, and another alcohol thing, and then another palette. I just like to keep it in here because it doesn't fit in this. So yeah, and then in the back is Flowing Blood. I absolutely love it. It's really hard to get it out, but I won't show you guys. But it looks like a syrup bottle. I think that is so cute. It's so cool. Alright, now we're gonna get into the top drawer, shelf. So, I'm gonna start with this box. Now, it's a lot, but I'm gonna reorganize it probably after this video, just because it's so messy. I just like threw everything in here and, whoa, I don't like it, so this is its current state, but yeah, you can see how I have like everything possible. I have brow stuff, I have lip glosses, I have powders, lipsticks, primers, mascaras, moisturizers, and a homemade finishing spray and foundations. That's everything in here, and I also have makeup stuff labeled on it. So I'm not going to take this one out because it's going to be easier just for me to just pull all of the products or all of the palettes out. So we have my absolute favorite eyeshadow palette. This is the L'Oreal Nude palette. I absolutely love it. It's my favorite. Then we have our CMA foundation palette. Now, I don't really know how to, like, if I should just scrape it out with the palette knife when I want to apply it to a model. But we'll see. If you have any tips on how to do this, please comment down below because I don't know. So, yeah. Then we have the LA Girl Glow blush palette. And before the L'Oreal Nude palette, I had these, and these were my absolute favorite brushes, wow, favorite palettes. This is the Naked 3, and this is the Naked Cherry. I use this one more than the Cherry because the Cherry one I actually kind of not really recently got, but I got it for my birthday in December. That was like 3 months ago, but yeah. Those two, and then I have my NYX Highlight and Contour palette. Okay, so this is my only palette that I have for special effects right now, but I want to get more. If you guys, I absolutely love the Skin Illustrator paints. If you guys have a recommendation for other Skin Illustrator palettes, paint palettes that are really good, I would like to just see what you guys like and comment down below if you guys have a good one, and I'll look into it. Now I have the Revlon brow palette. There's a whole stack of one right here. Wow. Okay. So now we're going into the QC Makeup Academy palettes that I got for my schooling. So this is the contour palette. This is the highlight palette. This is the blush palette. This is the concealer palette. This is the lip palette. And this is the eyeshadow palette. These eyeshadows are probably my favorite eyeshadows. They're so amazing. So when I actually opened all my products when I got everything for the school, I dropped this palette and the top of it broke. I was gonna do like a unboxing video for all of these products, but since this broke, I decided to cancel that video. So yeah, so that's all the QC palettes, QC Makeup Academy palettes. Now I'm gonna go into the 4 in the back. So now we have the Stilazia, I think. I don't know how to say it, but this is the concealer palette. I haven't used it yet because I want to finish the QC Makeup Academy palette. The concealer palette first before I dip into this palette. So now, before the oh my gosh, before the Naked palettes, I had the Too Faced I Want Candy palette, and yeah, I don't know if they sell these anymore at Ulta, but if you guys know if they do sell them still at Ulta, please comment down below, because this palette is probably, I think the L'Oreal palette is my favorite palette, but this one's probably my second favorite. It's amazing. That's that. Okay, so when I enrolled in the special effects course for QC, or no, it was first just the makeup course. They gave me a, in the kit, they gave me lashes, and I love these lashes. I use them on myself a lot, and they kind of got worn down just a bit. So once I enrolled in the special effects course, I got another one, and I haven't even touched these yet. I want to wait before I get these completely destroyed before I go into these. So that was everything in my makeup collection. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys Wednesday for another video. Bye guys!